What's good, y'all? It's your girl Aubrey. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. Girl, why am I out of breath? Oh my gosh. So, as you can tell by the title, this is supposed to be a vlog of me going to Florida and all that stuff. And y'all, I'm just having a time. I'm having a time. So I'm just going to vent to y'all. We going and that's just, this is just gonna be what it is. And then we gonna just try to see if I get my life together in the midst of all of this. So right now, I'm just feeling like so unmotivated to like pack or do anything. Like today is Thursday, August 18th. It is 8:00 p.m. or it's technically 7:59, but in 1 minute it's gonna be 8, so I just rounded it up. So it is about to be 8:00 p.m. I have not packed nothing. Not one lickety split of a nothing, not one thing. Nothing is packed. Suitcase is still in my closet. I have been washing some clothes, but girl, I haven't even like pieced together no outfits. I haven't done nothing because I'm just not feeling it. So for starters, this might be TMI. You know what? I don't even care. Mother Nature has paid your girl a visit the day before my trip. So I'm just feeling very much sluggish, fatigued. Like I want to go to bed. Like I just want to say forget it and lay it down in the fetal position. Like I just feel so like, ugh. Where I'm just not feeling it. Like I don't feel motivated to pack. I don't feel motivated to do anything. Like put no effort towards anything but just lay down and be lazy and do nothing. But I know I can't do that. Like, because I feel like even me trying to take like a little cat nap is going to turn into like, oh shoot, I'm going to wake up and it's going to be 9 o'clock in the morning. And then I'm really going to be like rushing to figure it out, you know? So that's where I'm at right now, girl. It's just me just trying to get my life together. So I need to wash my clothes, figure out what all I'm wearing. I did get some clothing items from Shein and all that stuff. So I have to try this stuff on and see if it's worth taking down there or not. So hopefully in the next clip, it's not me procrastinating and it is me actually like putting forth some type of effort and doing what I need to do. So I'll see y'all in the next clip and hopefully I got my life a little bit more together than it is right now. Okay. Thank y'all for letting me rant and vent. Okay. All right, y'all. So just real quick, I'm gonna do like a mini try on haul because I didn't order enough stuff to like do this in a whole separate video. So I thought I could just throw it in this video because some of the stuff that I did order, I think I'm gonna take to Florida with me. So I'm gonna show y'all the items. I put everything down in the description box, but yeah, it's just a few little articles of clothing. So I'm gonna show y'all what those are. So the first item is this skirt. It's so cute. It has like this little, ooh, I'm about to fall over. It has this split down the side. It's kind of flowy at the bottom. It's very lightweight. It's comfortable. It has stretch to it. This is like the design on it. It's got these flowers. It's pretty green. If y'all couldn't tell from my last haul, like I gravitate towards green a lot and I don't be realizing it till after I order the stuff, but this is the back. It's super cute. So I think out of everything, this is my favorite thing that I have ordered out of all the stuff, just because it's so cute. And I think I would wear it like with a top like this, and then I got white sandals or some tan sandals. But if I did tan sandals, I would want like a tan bag. So I don't know if I have a bag that will match those sandals, but I'm gonna figure all that out once I really start getting ready to piece my outfits together and pack everything. But so that's this skirt and everything I'm showing y'all. What was this? What am I doing? Everything I'm showing y'all I got at a size small. Okay, so the next item is this dress. It's like a little bodycon dress. It's fitted. I think this dress is so cute. It's very comfortable. It has a little bit of stretch to it. I just love the graphic. It says wilderness on it. So I think it's very cute. So I think I'm also taking this down to Florida, and I'm gonna wear my black and white Vans with this. I think that'll be super duper cute. So yeah, that's this dress. I'm just giving y'all a little close up. My kneecaps are hurting, bending like this, but it's okay. That spin was not given, but it's okay, boo, because we still doing what we got to do to show y'all what's going on. So yeah, that's this one. It's really cute, comfortable. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna take this with me too. Okay, so the next items, these did not come together. So this is an orange bodysuit, and then I saw this skirt that I just thought would be super cute with it because it has orange in it as well. So it's giving me like 70s hippie retro type of vibe. So I thought it was so cute. It reminds me of like a lava lamp kind of. So this is the skirt. It is very stretchy. It's very comfortable. It's kind of short. It don't have to be short. Like I could have pulled it down and like done this, but I just kind of liked it to be a little bit more high-waisted. But that's this. It has a little split in it. So I think it's super cute. I really like this skirt. It's very thin though, but still comfortable. And this bodysuit is a little bit see-through, I will say. So if you decide to get this, just keep that in mind. Real quick, I also had got this hat to go with this this bodysuit. Not with this skirt, of course, but if I wore this with like denim shorts or whatever, or some jeans, I would wear this hat with it. So the last piece of clothing I got is these jeans. Y'all, I'm not putting these jeans on. Like, I had already tried these on off camera, and I should have went a size up. These are really tight on me, and I thought I did go a size up, but or I think I looked at reviews that said like true to size or something like that, and I listened to those reviews, and I should have sized up. They have like stretch to them, but even with the stretch, like getting them on and like on my thighs and everything, they just were not that comfortable. So I will still put the link to them. But I'm not wearing these down to Florida. I'm not wearing no jeans like this. I would wear some like a denim skirt or some denim shorts, but it's just, I feel like it's too hot for this. So, but this would have been cute as a fit, I think, for a different occasion. But I'm not putting them jeans on. They just a little bit too small for your girl, and it's okay. All right, y'all. So that's everything that I had ordered. So some of that stuff I will be taking to Florida with me, I think. So like I said, everything I ordered will be in the word vomit. Everything I ordered will be in the description box down below, just in case y'all want to get something. So yeah, I need to dig my suitcase up out that closet and lay it down, because I think once I see the suitcase, I'll get a little bit more motivation as well. So I'm gonna grab my suitcase. So I'm about to, I think, procrastinate for just a little bit, because I want to listen to music kind of. So I'm gonna do that. At least I can admit the procrastination. There's a lot of people out there that I'm sure be in denial that they be procrastinating, but y'all, I take full accountability for the fact that I am the procrastinating queen, y'all. I got to do better, but right now I feel like it's justified for Mother Nature coming and racking my brain. But anyways, what's up, y'all? So as I said in the last clip, I think I said that I was gonna procrastinate for a little bit and then come back. And I procrastinated for a lot of it because it's almost 10 o'clock at night. But I mean, I'm actually made it down to the kitchen. So I'm gonna I had already thawed out some salmon. I'm throwing some salmon in the air fryer, and I'm having me some green beans and a salad on the side. Don't mind the sound, that's the dryer. But I stopped procrastinating a little bit, and I did make me some dinner. Now, I was going to do some salmon with some green beans and a salad on the side, but I ended up just doing some salmon and a salad. So, I'm going to show y'all. Don't judge me because it really don't look that great, but because I did the salmon in the air fryer, but it's okay. Don't judge me, though. So, here is my salmon. It looked like it got stripes on it or whatever, because when I brushed I put the seasonings on before I put the olive oil on there. So when I went to put the olive oil on there and brush it on there, like the strokes of the brush did that, makes it look like that, because now this, like the paprika and everything is kind of looking streaky or whatever. I don't know. But, and here's my little excuse of a salad with some raisins and cheese on it and some ranch. But this is what I'm eating for dinner.
The next day.
Hey. Oh my gosh, y'all. So it's the next day. It's August 19th today. It is 7:41 in the morning. If y'all hear noises in the background, that's the washer and dryer. I didn't do nothing I was supposed to do yesterday. Like, I didn't start packing. My suitcase is still in the closet, so I just cannot do it yesterday. I just couldn't. So now I'm like, well, this morning I have no choice. I set my alarm. Like, I knew last night it was just over with, so I set my alarm for 7:05 this morning. So I'm still very tired. I feel like I thought I slept well, but then I woke up and I just feel so tired still, just kind of groggy. I'm gonna have me some coffee. Maybe that'll give me the pick-me-up that I need. And then I'm gonna just handle what I gotta handle, y'all. Y'all, I finally got the suitcase out of the closet. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in images on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. What's up, y'all? So I know that I haven't really recorded that much stuff, but I am officially in Florida now, if y'all couldn't tell by the previous clips. But I made it to Florida. I am here. We just ate some pizza. My dad is zapping bugs with this zapper. There's like these little bugs that are literally everywhere. But I just wanted to show my face. My little shea butter I had on my face is starting to sweat. But just wanted to check in, say hi, let y'all know I did make it safely. So I'm just gonna be relaxing and taking it easy. So I'm not really quite sure where I'm ending this video at yet, but I will close the video out here soon. What's up, y'all? So I know this video was kind of all over the place, but your girl had almost missed her flight to the airport and almost didn't make it. So I did not record me getting ready, going to the airport, none of that. I'm like, I have just got to get there and hope I make it on this flight, which I did. But yeah, I'm just chilling out now. I'm just feeling so tired. I woke up so early to like wash clothes and pack that I just want to relax now. So I will catch y'all probably tomorrow once I have, you know, I see what's going on, because I don't know of any plans or anything like that. So I really don't know what all is gonna be going on. But I guess y'all will see and y'all will find out as I am finding out. So I think I'm gonna close this video here. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next part.